It is no secret that a sedentary and inactive lifestyle could lead to medical conditions like high blood pressure and poor blood flow, which can result in a lack of oxygen in different parts of your body, including your brain. Although our health might be out of our control, we can always strive to be healthier in many aspects. If you suspect that your circulatory system is not functioning properly, you might want to add foods that increase oxygen levels in your brain to your diet. Luckily, we've got you covered. What causes poor blood flow? Poor blood flow would probably result in an oxygen deficiency in many parts of your body, including your brain. Although there is always a possibility of more complex medical conditions, the following are perhaps the most common reasons for poor blood flow. To make sure that your brain gets the right amount of oxygen, you need to have a well-regulated blood flow and proper blood pressure. Not to mention dilated vessels that can carry the blood to different parts of your body. Living a healthy and active lifestyle is of utmost importance to achieve this. 1. Quit smoking. Smoking wreaks havoc on your body, and one of the deadly side effects is decreased oxygen levels in your body. Smoking damages your blood vessels and makes it harder for your heart to pump blood. Quitting smoking can help improve your blood flow and will result in improved levels of oxygen in your brain. You can seek professional help for your smoking addiction. 2. Exercise properly. A sedentary lifestyle invites many unfortunate medical conditions. Exercise, however, helps to improve blood flow by increasing the heart rate and widening the blood vessels. This can help to improve the function of the heart and the circulatory system. Try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week, but if you feel like it's just too much work, try swimming, biking, or walking. 3. Breathing techniques. Breathe in, breathe out. Practicing breathing techniques could significantly improve your blood flow by widening your vessels. Try different breathing techniques like abdominal breathing and the mediated breathing technique. Foods that increase oxygen to the brain. For improved blood flow, you should opt for foods that increase oxygen to the brain. These foods range from fruits, leafy vegetables, and certain spices. 1. Avocados. Avocados can boost blood flow thanks to their rich nutritional content. They contain vitamin C and E, which are powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants protect against free radicals, repair cell tissue, and fight inflammation, ensuring a steady and healthy blood flow that increases oxygen levels in the brain. Additionally, the vitamin C and E in avocados are crucial for producing nitric oxide, a compound that regulates the circulatory system. 2. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are a type of fruit that has been used for centuries in non-traditional medicine. However, along with fiber and minerals, pomegranates also contain antioxidants that will increase the production of nitric oxide in your body. Pomegranate juice is a proven nitric oxide booster. Pomegranate contains various antioxidants that help protect against cancer, free radicals, cell damage, and inflammation. 3. Citrus fruits. Regular consumption of citrus fruits like oranges and lemons promotes steady blood flow due to their high levels of flavonoids, antioxidants, and vitamin C. A study on healthy adults found that drinking a glass of orange juice in the morning improved cognitive function, primarily due to the flavonoids it contains. The specific type of flavonoids in citrus fruits, known as flavanones, offer health benefits such as regulating blood pressure and enhancing cardiovascular and regulatory systems, which are crucial for improved oxygen levels in the brain. 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are superior to others if you're looking for foods that increase oxygen levels. Along with many other benefits, the omega-3 fatty acids that are found in these foods help regulate and improve blood flow by releasing nitric oxide and preventing blood clots. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric has long been valued for its medicinal benefits, especially in Eastern cultures like Ayurvedic and ancient Chinese medicine. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Importantly, curcumin has also been shown to promote brain health and enhance cognitive function. Studies indicate that regular consumption of curcumin, whether as a supplement or within turmeric, significantly increases blood flow. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy vegetables contain compounds that will boost nitric oxide production in your body. Kale, lettuce, spinach, and cabbage stand out among the foods that improve oxygen to the brain. Along with many other health benefits like improving your cardiac health and digestive system, and helping with weight loss, leafy greens also play a crucial role in regulating your blood pressure, therefore allowing a greater amount of oxygen to reach your brain. 7. Ginger. Ginger, a spice with origins dating back thousands of years, is renowned not only for its culinary use but also for its health benefits. It is effective in treating nausea, vomiting, pain, and especially inflammation, thanks to its rich polyphenol content. Polyphenols are chemical compounds that combat free radicals, protecting the circulatory system and ensuring adequate oxygen supply to the brain. As a rich source of antioxidants, ginger increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing overall brain health. 8. Garlic. Garlic not only enhances the flavor of your favorite foods but offers various health benefits. It contains lots of sulfur compounds, which also give garlic its distinguished pungent taste. The sulfur allicin makes garlic a superfood that helps regulate blood pressure and increase blood flow. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, or more specifically cocoa, contains high amounts of epicatechin, a flavonoid that helps increase cerebral blood flow, one study has found. Epicatechin regulates the nitric oxide levels in your body, making sure that they are optimal. Regularly consuming dark chocolate also results in decreased blood pressure and promotes better heart health. To ensure your brain gets enough oxygen, your circulatory system must function properly. Poor blood flow is often caused by bad habits like inactivity or smoking, as well as certain medical conditions. To improve blood flow, stop smoking, exercise regularly, and practice breathing techniques. In terms of diet, choose foods that boost oxygen levels in the brain. These include fruits like avocado, pomegranate, kiwi, and citrus fruits. Additionally, pungent foods such as ginger and turmeric, along with fatty fish and beets, are beneficial.